Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our challenge where we're trying to make $2,000 a month from day trading this year. And so far, it's been a challenging one, but guess what? We are back in the green. Thank you, God. In this video, I'm going to break down what my trades were, my win percentage, and what we're doing moving forward to stay profitable. That's our goal. At the end of this year, I want to let you guys know that we were profitable and achieved our goal. Hey, if you find value in this video, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button so that other people can see this video, learn along with us, and make sure, again, we end in the green. Let's dive into it. So some of the stocks we traded over 19 stocks here. I hope you can see that here. And 19 stocks right here from February 8th to the 22nd as it sits. And my win percentage right now is 73% for those 2 weeks. Man, it's been good trading, but the problem is are my winners bigger than my losers? Am I cutting losses? And so that's something that we need to make sure that we work on. So we had 14 winners and 5 losers. So our percentage is really good. We want to remain higher than a 50% so that numbers wise, again, if we're sticking to our ratios and we're cutting losses well, we should stay profitable for the rest of the year coming. So what stocks did I trade and what am I planning on trading as we head into March? So these are the stocks that I traded. Let's zoom in here. I'm holding on to XRP for the long term this year, and I believe that crypto will recover. There's going to be buyers. Do I see it as a really strong asset? Honestly, I'm not 100%, but Bitcoin dropped $60,000 in I believe 3 months. That's absolutely insane. I think XRP will recover as we get the Clarity Act. Do your own research, but the Clarity Act is supposed to, in short, again, I'm still learning. The Clarity Act is supposed to, again, add clarity to cryptocurrencies and how XRP specifically is going to be used for essentially transferring money through different countries. So that's something that I want to keep watching. I want to take advantage of on this dip. TQQ is pro shares ultra pro, so it's 3 times bullish on the market. So if the market goes up, or QQQs goes up, this goes up 3 times. So it's a leverage ETF, super risky, but if the market recovers, this also recovers. And I lost my other camera there, but I just connected to my Mac camera and we'll just deal with that. But anyways, some other stocks that I traded is SanDisk. Did okay on that one. One really important one that I do want to stress though that you should suggest to add to your long-term portfolio is this one right here, SCHX, Charles Schwab US Large Cap ETF. It follows the NASDAQ. It follows the top 500 companies. And this ETF is absolutely amazing. I am holding this one onto the long term, and I believe this one will change my family's life for the better. Traded Palantir, NVDA, MSTR, Meta, Intel, Robinhood was one of my best trades. I was able to buy it at $72, bought the dip, and it swung all the way up to $78 per share, and I was able to lock in profits. It wasn't a perfect trade, but one of my bigger trades to help me make my money back and get back into the green. AMD, and as you can see, there's a lot of 2 times long inverse ETFs, and what that means is they're leveraged. So it means if the main stock, for instance, MSTR, in this one right here, if it's up 1%, then this is either down 2% or up 2%, depending on the inverse or long. And so it gives me a little bit more leverage to make more money, but obviously more risk involved. But overall, like I said, win rate 73% and total stocks traded 19. So what are we doing this week to plan? Well, one of the things that we need to plan for is NVDA. It is reporting earnings today, actually, as I make this video. And I need to make sure that I want to take advantage of if it breaks this $200 per share. The market is riding on good earnings because this is an indication on whether the investment of these companies, the companies that are investing trillions and trillions of dollars into AI, is it actually profitable? Is it actually going to make the money? And we got a run up today with high anticipation that AI is still booming, that these chips, companies still need these chips, that technology sector is still strong. And so the market is expecting good earnings, and if we don't get good earnings, well, the market will drop along with NVIDIA. So it's kind of like a flip of a coin. I might buy like 100 shares and see if we can take a little bit of, or make a little bit of money off of some good earnings if that were to happen. Some other things that I am doing, I'm still swing trading XRP. Again, heading into the Clarity Act, if it passes, then we should get a boost in crypto, and I want to take advantage of cheaper crypto right now and make my money off that. And again, we're going to keep an eye on the overall market as a whole. TQQs, this triple leverage ETF, follows QQs. Again, look at this recovery that's happening here with the anticipation that demand for AI and tech is still strong. There's a lot of economic factors that we need to watch out for, such as war, such as tariffs, okay, and other economic reports that come out, and maybe even interest rates, if interest rates continue to hold, or do they drop or might increase interest rates. So those are the things that we're looking at as we head into the week. But the stocks that I want to continue to trade are the ones that are working, and that's stocks like NVIDIA, Robinhood, and the overall NASDAQ as well. So I'll keep you up to date on what's going on, but make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's end the year in the green, and I'll see you on the next one.